Hi, folks. Thanks for stopping by. It's been about 3 or 4 years, maybe even longer, since I did a video on ham radio QSL cards. So I thought I'll better do another one because a few things have changed over the years, and I've had quite a few cards, as you can see here. Today, we're looking specifically at the DXpeditions type of QSL cards, which are the 4-page type card, the fold-out card like this, which is a beautiful souvenir of the DXpeditions. And some of them are just absolutely fabulous. Here's one here that when you fold it out, the whole of the inside of the card has a special image in it and so on, or information in it and stuff. And this one here, this is a bit interesting as well, because that's the front of the card, but the back of the card folds out as well, and you get a really very, very interesting image in there, and with all the information in the front. Now, the speed of the cards as we go through the video is only a few seconds on each card. So if you need to press the old pause button on the YouTube video to finish reading what you need on the card, and then move on to the next card and so on, feel free to do that, or just let it run through and you get a bit of an idea of what's going on. Just hope you enjoy these beautiful souvenir cards. It's really changed the nature of the QSL collecting hobby in ham radio significantly, I think. So thanks again.